Hello, how are you all my dear students? I am fine. I hope you are well. Very thanks all dears. You subscribe my channel, watch my video, like and shares. I sincerely pray for you all students. Good exam, good mark in exam. Any assignment is not difficult. This is very easy. Our students should try understand each and every point I make. Today's my assignment title. This topic EXP 25 Excel chapter number 1 cumulatives medical. Today's assignment is medical. Start now. Project description. Projects are, my dear student, kind any assignments you need, any assignments, please you contact me. Word, Excel, PowerPoints, assess graders, a weekly exam, and you contact WhatsApp and email. Next step, question number 1. Question number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file name EXP 25 Excel chapter number 1 cumulative medicals. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. All students, you first downloading this file because I already downloading this file. It's okay. File downloading is completing. Point number 2. I increase the size. Should good better work. Look, you notice that the vision expensive on row 10 is a duplicate of the expensive on row 8. You will delete the duplicate row and select and delete row 10 and that contain the duplicates 3, 22, 2027 vision data. Select and delete row 10. All students select and select 10. Right click, delete. It's okay. Contain duplicate version data. It's okay. Point number 2 is complete. Start now. Question number 3. You want to move the 3 to 2027 pharmacy expense to be listed in the chronological orders. Select and cut row 11 that contain the 3 to 2027 pharmacy expensive and insert cut cell on row 5. Select and cut row 11 that contain its cut. Pharmacy, select insert cut cell on row 5. It's okay. All dear students, question number 3 is complete. Start now question number 4. Question number 4. This is very easy. Don't worry, because assignment is not difficult. This is very easy, but you understand point by point. You decide to insert a column for additional data. Insert a new column A and type expenses in cell 3. Insert a new column A. It's okay. New column, insert, it's okay. And copy this A3. It's okay. I paste A3. Dear students, it's okay. Expenses, and point number 7. Point number 7. Point number 5. In the new column, you want to create a coding system consisting of the years, month and sequential numbering for the expenses. Number of expenses, types 2020. A7301 is cell A4 and use autofill in the complete the expense number to the range A5 A11. It's okay. Type in cell A4. Cell A4. It's okay. I paste. Paste and autofill in complete the expense. It's okay. Autofill A5 to A11. A5 to A11. It's okay. All dears. Point number 5 is complete. I increase the size because you work better. After a filling in the expense numbers, you will increase the column width to display the data. Change the width of column A to 12. Change the width of column A to 12. A to okay. It's point number 6 is complete. Okay, this size is complete. Point number 6 is complete, and point number 6 is complete, and start now point number 7. So okay, the worksheet should have title above the data types March 2027 medical expensive in cell A1 and margin and center the title over the range A1 J1. All dear, I copy this because this is title A1. This is title A1. A1 titles and range and center A1 J1. I copy this. Even enter, it's okay. Center and margin, it's okay. Center and margin, this complete. Point number 7 is complete. Point number 8, start now. I increase the size and color change. The title would look more professional with some formatting. Apply bold green font colors and 14 with font size for to the title in cell A1. All dear student, apply bold apply green, it's okay. Apply boards, it's okay. Applied are already bold. And color green, it's okay. Color green font colors and size. I increase the size 14. It's okay. Dear student, in cell A1 font size 14 is complete. Point number 9, size 12, color change. You decide to replace lab with laboratories to provide a more descriptive expensive names. Find all occurrence of labs and replace them with laboratories. It's okay, dear students. Find select replace second. Laboratories, I copy this. It's okay. Laboratories, this all. It's close. It's okay. Point number 9 is complete. Point number 10. Point number 10. The worksheet contains spelling errors that need to be identified and corrected. Check the spelling in the worksheet and correct all spelling. It's okay. All dear students, spelling this. This change all. Change it's okay. All dear students, total question is 27. I complete the only 10 question. And very thanks you subscribe my channels and all videos watching.